Hope you all are fine. Today I will be discussing one very important topic, that is number system. In this topic I will discuss numbers and their position in the number line. Look, I have some toy animals for you all. So how many toy animals you can see? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 toy animals. Okay, the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, which can be used to count the things in our daily life, are called natural numbers, which is denoted by capital N. So let us represent this in a number line. So can you tell me what is number line? So it's a straight line where number will be placed in a equal interval. Okay, to now represent an empty situation, or I have 3 pen. Then 3 people come to meet me and I gave them all the 3 pen. So what will I have? I will have nothing, right? So to express this situation in a mathematically, there is a number, and which is called 0. Now 0 will be placed in this place in number line. Okay, and 0 and all the natural numbers are together called whole number. So which is denoted by capital W. Now a question arises. Okay, so what's there in the left side of the number line? So have you ever participated in quiz competition? Of course yes, right? So in quiz competition, when you give a wrong answer, the quiz master deduct a point. Yes, so that deduction is expressed with a negative sign before the marks. So we use these negative numbers practically in expressions like temperature below freezing point, like temperature below 0 degree, so minus 1 degree, minus 2 degree. And another example is due money. Okay, so these negative numbers are placed in a left side of the number line. So negative numbers and all the whole numbers together are called integers. So it is denoted by capital Z. Okay. Now, are we done with numbers in a number line? Absolutely not. So what about the numbers like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc., etc.? So if we include these numbers with integers, this is called to be the rational number. So a number small r is called a rational number if it can be written in the form of p by q, and where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, and it is denoted by q. So example of rational numbers are 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, etc., etc. Now this rational number will be represented in a number line. So 1 by 2 means 0.5, which will be placed in between the 0 and 1 in this position. 3 by 2 means 1 by 1.5, which will be placed between 1 by 1 and 2. 5 by 2 in 2.5, which will be placed in this position. 3.5 is 7 by 2, which will be placed in this position. So that's how rational number will be placed in a natural number line. Okay, so you may ask, are there numbers which are not of this form? Yes, there are actually such number, which like root 2, root 3, root 5, etc., etc. Okay, so a number small s is called an irrational number if it cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. It is denoted by capital P. So example of irrational numbers are like root 2, root 3, root 5, etc., etc. Now, how irrational numbers are placed in a number line? Okay, let's see here. In this example, I will give the representation of root 2 in a number line. Okay. For consider a square ABCD, where each side of square is 1 unit of length. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, we found that AC equal to root over AB square plus BC square. So value of AB will be 1 is, so 1 is square. Value of BC will be 1, so 1 is square here. So root over 1 plus 1, root 2. So AC will be 1 plus 1, root 2. Okay, so using a compass with center A and radius AZ, draw an arc which intersecting the number line in a point P, and this is to be the called root 2 in number line. So this P position is the root 2 in the number line. So that's how irrational number will be placed in a number line. Okay, so we have done all of the numbers. Yes, hope you like it. Thank you all.